The Great Tantra of Vajrasattva, equal to the end of the sky. It is not wisdom, it is not ignorance. Our wisdom has been shadowed by the dominion of darkness. The Buddha has fallen into the dominion of sentient beings. If the vision of luminescent wisdom were shadowed by adventitious darkness, the erroneous implication would be that the Buddha has fallen into samsara with no escape. If the vision of luminescent wisdom had retained darkness since the primordial, it would be permanent, and we would not wake up from it. There would be a dominion of inconceivable darkness. Those who look for knowledge about positions do not understand the meaning of having no position. They do not retain the objectives of the wise. They will not fall upon the jewel treasure. So he spoke. From the Great Tantra equal to the end of the sky, this is the 15th chapter, placing unprotected awareness into happiness. Becoming successful without a search. Then that holy Sattva Vajra addressed him with these words. For all the Buddhas of the three times, the unsought appearance of light is a magical trove, a self-luminous mirror, a magnificent light, a heart treasury of Vajra secrets. Lord, this is what I ask. Please explain how to use the magnificent method of neither seeking nor working toward the jewel trove that equals the end of the sky to achieve it. Then the great Vajrasattva proclaimed these words. O Mahasattva, the stages of achievement will be understood clearly through the specific qualities of the basis for achieving the heart essence of wisdom, the path that makes us understand it, and the fruition that has already been done. The basis for the Dharma that is not to be achieved, and not to be sought, the transmission of luminescent wisdom which is not to be acquired, is the non-duality of Buddhas and sentient beings. Without our working on it, without any search, light blazes in the sun of the heart essence of wisdom. It is free from all things. It shines in the heart essence of wisdom. It blazes in the light of the wisdom of awareness. The desire for heaps of things to bring us our self-luminescent desires is a blessing that comes by itself. It does not come or go. It pervades the 10 directions. The heart essence of awareness is equally in everything, like the end of the vast sky. It is luminous in its pervasiveness. It is not a material thing. The wisdom that abandons limitations and is free from all things transcends the objects of our ideas, whatever they may be.